Welcome back to Weekly E-commerce Marketing Intel. I'm Koon, and the final week of May has brought some of the biggest shifts in AI-driven commerce we've seen this year. Today we're breaking down Google's new Universal Cart, the massive surge in AI-driven retail traffic, and the critical platform updates you need to know for the upcoming 6/6 sales. We'll cover three main pillars: the future of AI shopping agents, how Meta and Google are changing your ads, and a tactical update for TikTok, Shopee, and Lazada. First up, Google has officially introduced the Universal Cart. This isn't just a checkout update, it's the foundation for agentic commerce. AI agents can now proactively find and purchase items on your behalf across the web. For retailers, this means the path to purchase is becoming automated. This shift is already happening. AI-driven traffic to retailers has spiked by a staggering 393% this month alone. People are using AI to shop more than ever. Speaking of AI, Google has quietly integrated ads into its AI mode. If you're an advertiser, your content is now showing up where the conversations are happening. Meanwhile, Meta's AI tools are now modifying ad creative automatically. While this can improve performance, you must keep a close eye on your brand integrity. Important note for Google advertisers, Dynamic Search Ads, or DSA, will be going away this September. It's time to transition your strategy to Performance Max. TikTok World 2026 just wrapped up, focusing heavily on turning discovery into growth through new AI-powered vertical experiences for brands. They are pushing hard for the 6/6 sale, even activating physical stunts at Orchard Road to gamify the shopping experience. It's all about high-impact brand solutions. Lazada is also gearing up with Sponsored Max, a one-click upgrade to simplify ad management ahead of their 6/6 Super Wow sale. On the Shopee side, be aware of the new commission fee adjustments that kicked in on May 21st. Make sure you've updated your pricing buffers. The big takeaway? E-commerce is moving from search to agentic discovery. You need to ensure your product feeds are optimized for these AI shoppers. From Google's Universal Cart to the aggressive 6/6 pushes on TikTok and Lazada, the platforms are doing the heavy lifting. Your job is to stay strategic. E-commerce is changing fast. Subscribe and follow me for more updates to stay ahead of the curve. I'll see you next week.